Today I'm going to show you how you can create AI home renovation videos in just 5 minutes with no editing skills, no video creation skills, and pretty much no AI skills. I'm going to show you the exact process to create videos that take millions of views, and coupled with this video I'm going to upload a short video demonstrating this tactic. So let's see a couple of examples of what we will be creating today. Pretty cool, right? So let's get started. This is one of the channels that makes this kind of videos, and look at this, they're making millions upon millions of views. And it takes them just 5 minutes to generate and create each one of these. So on my free school community, on the link down below in the description, you can go into the video generation course inside the classroom. Everything is free here, and you can go into AI advertisements and AI home renovation videos. These kind of videos could also boost your company if you are in home renovations. So let me show you the exact process. We begin by generating images of empty homes, empty scenes, and then we edit these images using Nana Banana to add new stuff in the scene. After that, we take the edited images and the original images, we put them into VO3 or another video generator that is 5 times cheaper, and I'm going to show it to you, and we generate and transition between the two. So let me show you the process. All of the prompts are inside the school community. You can access this completely for free. Again, the link is down below in the description. For today's video, I'm going to be using FlexClip. The link for FlexClip will be down below. I use this because this is a platform that has all of the AI solutions that I need. The video generators, the video editing tools, the AI image generators, and also the AI image editors. So everything I need is inside this very good product, and I can use it anywhere I want because this is an application, a web application. So if you want to try this out and you want to try FlexClip, I will leave a link for it down below in the description. So after you have an account, you can of course just use the tools. I'm going to show you the AI tools if you have other subscriptions, but for this demonstration purpose, I'm going to use FlexClip. So I open up the dashboard, I go to AI tools, and the first thing is we want to go to AI text to image. Of course, you can take these prompts and change them according to what you want. You can do this simply through ChatGPT. I have also given you the edit prompt generation, which you can use inside ChatGPT to create your own editing prompts. And of course, you can create your own image generation prompt. I'm not going to be doing that here. I'm just giving you 2 examples. So you take the scene 1, you paste it here. I will highly suggest that you select Google Imagen 4 Ultra for the image generator. You select the aspect ratio to be for a short video. You can of course choose whatever else you want. Maybe you can do long form videos in your use case, or you want it for a website. You can change the aspect ratio. I always do 2 image count here because the image count allows us to get 2 variations of what we create. So I paste the prompt here, click generate, and look at this. So these are the images I have generated here. So this is the empty room. I have 2 cases. I use the right hand side because I like this more. And here is the empty outdoor space. So this is from prompt number 2. We have 2 prompts, A and B. So these are different scenes. And after I do this, I just flip to Google Nana Banana. We use this to edit the original image. We click upload image and we upload our original scene. For example, scene number 1. We go here. We have created already our edit prompt, and we use the first prompt, copy and paste, very simple, boom, and click generate, again image count to 2, so get multiple variations. So I take this image and I end up with this kind of edit or this kind of edit. So I selected this edit because I think it looks better, and after I do this, I do the same thing for the prompt number 2. I just get the edit prompt number 2. I upload the second generated original image. So this is scene 1B, and I end up with these 2 edits. This is hallucinated because it's on top of the pool. So I use this one because it looks better. So boom, we got 2 images. for each of the scenes. We got the original scene and the ending scene. And now we want to merge them together using an AI video generator. So this is the juicy part. We go to video and we go to AI video generator option. For our use case today, we're going to be using VO 3.1, but you can of course just use this Pro model from FlexClip. So first thing, enable end frame. This is the second frame with all of the edits inside. We go ahead and upload the scene number 1, which we generated. Then we do the scene number 2, which is the edited scene. And here for the prompt, we go ahead and take this prompt here, smooth transition between scene 1 and 2. You can also open up AI effects here. So this process is very, very simple. Let me show you. So AI effects means that it will have sound effects, and the Pro model from FlexClip is only costing 35 credits. You can of course switch to VO 3.1 for potentially better results, but it's going to cost about 5 times more. And you can also select the duration for this, the aspect ratio, and click generate. Now I'm not going to do this because I have already done it. You've seen the prompts in your screen. You've seen the videos in your screen before. So yeah, let me show you the final videos that we created using all of the models. I'm going also to add a little bit of a text so you can see whether it's the Pro, which is the cheap model, or VO 3.1. And you can, go ahead and find out which one of the two you would like to use. Again, all of this is done inside FlexClip, from the generation of the images, the editing of the images, and the final video generation. So check out the final samples and the final results. I'm going to put them side by side so you can compare them live. Again, thank you so much for watching another video. Make sure to hop in the school community because we have so many free courses and free tutorials about anything you want to create with AI.